Assalamualaikum and good day. I be to our lecturer, Mr. Fairul Nazmi Osman. Today we are going to present our mini project that goes by the title Humidity and Temperature Sensor at Room Temperature. My name is EZLYIN and my group member is Nabila binti MOHAMAD. The objective of this mini project is to stimulate the humidity and temperature sensor by using tinted can. Next, to measure the temperature and humidity of the surrounding area at room temperature. Other than that, it is to observe the effectiveness of the piezo buzzer when the temperature and humidity is out of expected range. We also want to apply the knowledge of applied electronics and microprocessors. Lastly, to accomplish the requirement of the mini project, which is to have at least 2 input signals and 2 output signals. In this mini project, the temperature and humidity are 2 of the most significant and fundamental notions in climatology. For this mini project, we use 2 inputs and 2 outputs. The inputs are TMP36 and potentiometer. Meanwhile, the outputs are LCD and piezo buzzer. The LCD will display the results and piezo buzzer will produce an alarming sound if the temperature is beyond the desired range. The relation between these 2 constants is when the temperature rises, the relative humidity falls. As you can see here, for product description and details, we are using piezo buzzer, temperature sensor TMP36, and also resistor for the input. And the Arduino Uno R3 is as the where we will connect all the parts and make it function. And as for the output, we have LCD display and also the piezo buzzer. LCD display will display the results, and piezo buzzer will make a sound where it indicates the temperature and humidity when it goes out of range. For the pseudocodes of this simulation, here are the codings that we use to run the simulation of temperature and humidity sensors. First, we declare the parameters for TMP36. Next, we define the variables, and then this one is for indication of where we want to connect the pins to the buzzer and sensor, temperature sensor. And next, we have the hello world. So at the beginning of the simulation, the display will show hello world, and then next, this is the formula to calculate the temperature. And then this one is for the waiting time of the coding after we insert the temperature that we want. And here is the formula of the calculation of the temperature and humidity. This one is, it will print the command for printing the humidity. And then next is the condition when the buzzer will produce a sound. And if the temperature is beyond the range, the buzzer will be on and produce a sound. And then this, when the temperature goes beyond 30 degrees, the buzzer will also turn on, and else, other than that condition, the buzzer will be turned off. And for the block diagram, this is the flow chart, the entire flow chart of our simulation. So then the first one is start, and it will send signals to TMP36, and then it will detect temperature and humidity. So all these are the conditions that we have set, and then if it is if it meets this condition, it will go yes and display the result at the LCD, and then on the LCD it displays the temperature and humidity. For these other conditions, if all yes, then this one buzzer will be off, this one buzzer will be on, and this one also buzzer will be on, and then end. Our simulation is over. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabila Huda binti Muhammad, and I'm going to talk about the component in this mini project. So we have 8 components here, which are: the first one is jumper cable, Arduino Uno R3, LCD, and the fourth one piezo buzzer, resistor, potentiometer, temperature sensor TMP36, and the last one is spray board. So let's see the codes. So here we have 3 conditions on the temperature. For this mini project, we set temperature 20 to 30 Celsius. If the surrounding temperature are not in this range, then the buzzer will be on. So let's simulate the 3 conditions. The first one is the temperature within the range. So I choose here, I choose 24.78 Celsius for the first condition. So the buzzer off. The buzzer is off. So the second condition, I choose negative 11.88 Celsius. So the buzzer is on. And then let's try the third condition. The third condition is the temperature 83.92 Celsius. So for the third condition, the buzzer is also on. So for the conclusion, we can conclude that this experiment or this mini project are successfully conducted, and this mini project also give many benefits, which are providing real-time observation, low power consumption, and lively tracking, and the last one in improved national temperature and humidity that monitoring system that will give many benefits to people livelihoods. Lastly is recommendation for future work. We recommend to use or upgrade a sensor to RTD. RTD is resistant temperature detector. It is one of the temperature that are the most accurate and stable temperature sensor. The next ones, we recommend to not only focus at one place. For this mini project, we only focus at the temperature room. For the future work, it can be a place such as office, greenhouse, or museum, in which these places are really required this sensor in order to control the humidity and temperature for the comfortable environment. And the last one, we recommend to add a sensor that it can emit a warning light if the temperature or humidity at a dangerous level. That's all. Thank you.